Okay, so today I'm going to show you the smartest way to grow your forever living business after you have completed your 2CC. So most of the people fail and most of the people struggle how to grow their network marketing or MLM business on if specifically in forever living. So this is where this video is for you. How to grow your business after 2CC, how to generate leads, show them your presentation on your business opportunity, or how to make them educated about your products, and then insist or follow up with them 24/7 automatically to join your business. Okay, so we will start with my screen, and there are certain steps what I do basically and what I teach my downline to do once they have completed their 2CC. So this will help you to grow your forever living business consistently every month. This is Dipesh Pandey. I am helping network marketers and MLM leaders to grow their business using tech, systems, softwares, AI, everything, because this is 2026 and we need new strategies. So let's deep dive in my laptop and let's learn what next steps are. Okay, so now very first step is to create free lead magnet. Lead magnet is something which works as in free resource, or something which you give to your leads so that they can give their information to you, and you can then turn them from leads to a paid customer. So one thing which I always do to create free lead magnet is using AI in 2026. So I will just go to Claude AI, and once you are in Claude AI, you have created your free account. Now you have to just type as create me 5 steps PDF on something like 5 smart business ideas to start in 2026, and then I will mention do include direct selling idea as well, because this is my free page for leads, and after this I am going to upsell means I'm going to also sell them my business idea, or my MLM company's idea or product idea. Upsell them my business idea of MLM company that's it, and add no, just that's it. Let's see what it gives us. So now Claude AI will create 5 steps guide PDF for you in just few minutes, and you can simply download that and start using that. You can customize that if you don't find this is valuable for your leads, so you can simply edit that once Claude AI gives you something. So now creating free lead that is becoming very easy. Most of the time people don't realize this, that you need to give free value first of all before they join with you, because if you want to make someone unknown join your business, you will have to make them first of all educated on who you, what you do, and how you do. So we will create this lead magnet first of all, and then we will move to next step. So once this is done, you have your product ready to grab leads every day. If even you don't work, you will generate leads every day, and I will show you that how you will do that on what platform. So this particular idea brings me 15 to 20 leads every day, and I actually teach this to my downline as well, that identify what problem or what solution you can give to other people from your heart, or genuinely you can help others, and create PDF guide on that. Let's say if you're in health industry in network marketing, then you can create some guide related to health. Let's say if you're in e-commerce industry in MLM company, so you can create guide related to that. Now let's say if you are in gym based industry like supplements, so you can create PDF guide regarding gym owners or people those who are starting gym, and you can give some type of guide to them. Now Claude has given me the PDF guide, but I want to add some colors to this. Please add some colors to my previous. So I will say, let's say, background color should be blue, text can be black and white, and forward line be red in color. Whoops, that's it. So let's see what it gives us. Okay, so it gives us good ebook, but this is just a sample. Now you can add more things. You can add more, ideas here. This is just for example, but I would say be more specific with results, with business opportunity, and how to grow that. Let's say if I work for a health and wellness company, which is a network marketing company, and they also offer business opportunities. So I would let people, those who want to start business now, I will let them know how to start with less, but with less capital and within like few days. So this is something which I would differentiate for them. So find some differentiation, and based on that you can create your free lead magnet. So now we will fill up the colors and then we will move to the next step. Now I have my free PDF ready and I will call it 5 steps to start online business. So now we will see where to host that, how to generate leads, and how to get traffic on that page. And then last but not least, how to meet and join with your business opportunity. I will now download this entire PDF guide, and once I have downloaded this on my laptop, I will host it and I will show you how I will get traffic on this perfectly. Is the site where you can host your free PDFs, digital product, courses, anything, and you can sell them online. Remember, Gumroad gets 25 million to 27 million visitors every month. Most of the 50% people are here to search for PDF guides like make money online, passive income, side hustle ideas. So this is a huge place you can generate organic and great traffic. They will send us on my email address. So I just have to go here, login, and this is the dashboard of Gumroad. I will name my product. So title we have is 5 smart business ideas to start in 2026, and paste it here. I say this free lead magnet or free PDF guide to attract customers and leads. PDFs I have created. I have seen like when you give something for free, you get people, those who want to start and partner with their business. So, $1 is something which will let you know that this person is serious to start your business, because if you get 100 leads and none of them are serious to start their business, it means those are not your real clients or real leads, and you need to understand who is your real audience. So next is customize. Give me all 3 things and let's wait for that. Now once my description is ready, I will just paste it here. This is my description which Claude gave me. You can see this is your page, which will look like this. That's the URL you will share with someone who wants to download this. So you will get 5-step PDF guide to start online business. I don't want invite your customers to the community. However, you can create a community as well, like a Facebook group or something. Talk with them, interact with them every day. So if I turn this on, I'll keep this 0, and now customers will decide based on my content that if they want to pay anything. But this works well when you have a free lead magnet. But now my goal is that people should join my business. Let's limit product sales. Now allow customers to choose quantity. Now, because it is not a physical product, it gave us cover image and thumbnail. I just converted them to PNG file. You can plot for me. By the way, cover image is awesome, so you guys should definitely use Claude AI. And this entire process will help you to grow your business after your 2CC is done and forever living, or any company basically. We should start any network marketing business. Now we have both the files, and this will be thumbnail. Now must be square. So we will just here close. You can make more good images in Canva for sure. Save and continue. Now it will ask for the contents. So I will embed the media. I will upload the PDF here. Once the PDF is uploaded, you can see download button here. New. Publish and continue. So our payment method is not connected, and it's something we will have to connect. Okay, so I have connected my payment. Now let's move forward. Save changes. Changes saved, and that's it. So you will see here, and you can share this link with anyone. Make sure to add tags, what type of book this is, PDF file this is. So if you see make money online, most of the people search make money online guides here on Gumroad every month, and your guide would be published on Gumroad's channel. Let me show you that. Discover. So Discover is the place where most of the people come, like not most of the all of the people come and they search for different guides here every month. So you can see how to make $98 per day with Instagram digital product, and you can see 720 reviews, $0. So these are some of the things you can also create, and you can sell online, and you can generate leads. Now this is the best way to generate lead and show your business opportunities. Okay, so now one last part, what I will do is I will open Gumroad again, and in my product, let's say this is my product. However, this is something different. I will insert one page more, and I will name it something like more line me. Okay, once I have created join me. Okay, so this is 3K day guide. So how this page works is, once the took your free guide, now you will have second page which will be join me, and this is where best is. Now what you can do is, if you have any webinar, recorded webinar, if you have your own 45 to 50 minutes presentation which you have created for your company, what your company does and how to join you, or how you can make money with you, so you can just upload that presentation here, and you can give some text like watch this 45 minutes training to join me, and you can answer, or you can, let's say, upload files. So you can simply upload any video. I will just add any video right now, for example. So let's say this one. So now my video is here, so you can upload a recorded webinar here, and most of the people will watch that immediately. And then what you can do is, at last you can insert a button and you can say join me. So once they watch your entire webinar, you can redirect them to your WhatsApp group, or what I do most of the time is I give them my direct join me link from my portal, and they can simply go in and sign up to my downline. I get downlines every day. They can simply make purchase everything, and then just I have to do is their complaints and KYC, and for that part I will in second video how I onboard them and how I do their KYC, how I teach them how to duplicate same system, everything. So this is the best way You can generate leads, you can grow your business after your processing is done, and you can grow your downline in forever living business. If you love this video, so definitely subscribe and like this video. Comment below your questions, and if you have any issues in network marketing business, of course I will create more videos like having tech softwares, AI, and we will build this business and system